Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you are all doing well and keeping safe. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you ways to tie your hair, your head with hair wrap, because there are different ways to tie your hair, and I've been asked to do a video to show how to, do some hairstyles, some head wrap styles. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a few, whatever I can remember, just no while on. Okay, so here we go. So right now I have my hair in a bun. I have braids on, so if you don't have any braids, you can always take some fabric or like a scarf or something. You bundle it up like this and you can just put it on your head. I'll probably do a video on that when I take down my braids. So yeah, so right now my hair's on the bun. I'm just gonna put this hair net over it. You don't have to, I just feel like putting it. So I'm just gonna put it over my hair, just like so. Okay, so I have this hair wrap slash head tie. So the first step I'm going to do, I'm just doing this randomly as it comes to me, okay? I didn't plan any specific hair wrap style, okay? I'm just going to just randomly do it. That's what I usually do anyways. I don't usually plan any specific style really. It just falls, into the acute style, you know what I mean? So here we go. So I'm just going to just take your head wrap. This is very simple and basic. See, I actually have I think 2 videos that I made a couple of years ago on how to do some styles. Sometimes it doesn't fall or turn out the way you want it. Like you see how this is now right now. Look, and I have some space here. So if that doesn't work out, so I'm just gonna try another way. You just keep trying basically until you get it, until you get what you want. So I'm gonna try this way. Let's see if it works out this way. Sometimes if your bun is too big and then your fabric or your head wrap is very small, so it's not gonna really turn out right. So you basically have to work with what you have. Maybe make your bun smaller, you know what I mean? So, and also to depend on how long your wrap is. I think this is turning out cute. So you can do this. Just tuck it in. And here it is. Just trying to fix the back here. This is like this. So just trying to. Here it is. That is one. Here's that. And I have these earrings to put on. go with it. I actually make these anyways. I make head wraps and I make accessories as well. And some bangles. Alright, so let's get to the next style. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I'm gonna make the bun a little bit smaller because it's really big. Actually, how about we tie it? How about we try this hairstyle? Okay, so take your fabric. I've done this one before, this particular hairstyle before. I did it like years ago. Similar to this one anyways, so yeah. Anyways, this is another style for you that you can do. Very easy, very simple. Sometimes it doesn't come out the way you want, but don't worry, just keep trying. And sometimes, yeah, when you keep trying, your hand get tired. Yeah, I've experienced that a lot of times. I'm like, oh, my hand is tired. Here is another one for you. Oh, came off. Feeling myself too much. Alright, so yeah. What do you think? It's cute? I think it's cute. Yeah, see, it's so easy, see? Yeah, so that's another one. Okay, let me see. Maybe I can do one more. Actually, I have this one, this fabric here. This I think they're about the same size. Yeah, they're about the same size. Let me use this one anyways. So this is just, I'm gonna try to make this one smaller. See, actually I'll bring it back. Bring it to the back. Yeah, I'm gonna use this just to hold it down because the bun is not tight. There. Let's bring it to. I don't like to pull on my edges because I'm forever trying to grow my edges. I hope I'm talking loud enough, guys. I hope you can hear me. I'm just gonna quickly do this video because everybody is, well, not anymore. Everybody was sleeping and now they're slowly waking up, so yeah, I'm trying to like, okay, so I'm gonna use this one. Take it. It's basically the same. Yeah, so like this. one is just a simple, just tie back. Just simple tie back like this. I will fix this part later. You know, sometimes your hair wrap is big anyway, so just depend on what you have. Just gonna have to like play around with it until it comes out the way you want it. Yeah. So I'm just going to bring this to the front. I already tied at the back once. So I'm just going to bring this here to the front and just tuck it in. And then you do the same thing to the other side. You just tie up, tuck it in. You are done. You can do like this, or you can just let it go over your ear a little bit, like that. Yep. So, and once you see that it comes out like the way you want it, don't kind of touch it, because sometimes I find when I mess around with it, I end up changing the style from what I actually want to like something else. I'm like, oh, why did I just touch it? Why did I just mess with it? Once you get it, leave it alone. Don't mess with it. Just leave it alone, okay? So, yeah. Here it is. All done. All done. What do you think? It's cute, right? Yeah, I know. Just keep trying. Keep practicing. I'll try and do more videos on how to tie different hairstyles. Sometimes like you don't, if you have a specific one though that you want to do, you know, just practice and let me know, and I can do a video on how to do it. All right, that's about it. Yes guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for stepping by. If you are new, I appreciate you. I hope you like my channel. I would love you to be part of the family by subscribing and pressing the bell button so you can get more, so you can get notification when I do post new videos. But if you are old, thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate you. Appreciate your support, appreciate your love. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. And also I want to use the opportunity, which I've been planning to do it, to say thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Ooh. I'm like halfway there. I need to get to 1,000 guys, and I need your help to do that. So yeah, so let me know if you have any you know, video ideas you want me to do, because I do hair as well, like extension hair or whatever, like I try to do that as well. And then sometimes skincare, you know, any video, anything. I'm very creative, so God has blessed me with lots of creativity. I can do a lot of stuff with these hands of mine. I make these, I make a bunch of other stuff. So, and I also have a website, so it's called anayae.com. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.